Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to download Instagram View video. And all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. And then from here, we are going to tap on our profile here at this view, and we are going to tap on it. In the case that we wanted to save this video, all we have to do is to tap on this share. And so I'm going to tap on the share icon and then tap on copy link. From there, I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to head on over to a web browser, and then I'm going to search for Snap Insta. Then I'm going to tap on this one. Then I'm going to tap on this website. Then I'm going to paste this link that I had copied from that video. Then I'm going to wait for it to load. Or I am going to tap on download. Since it's this one, I am going to tap on download either with Snaptik or tap on download, and once you download it using these two different options, you're going to be able to see it on your gallery. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.